For any business, accurate customer relationship management information is the lifeblood. Trusted customer data fuels informed decision-making, improves sales forecasting, strengthens customer relationships, and ultimately drives revenue growth. But let's face it, maintaining data quality can be a challenge. Manual entry errors, duplicate records, and accidental deletions can quickly compromise the effectiveness of your CRM system. But fear not. Here's how to revolutionize your CRM hygiene with 3 powerful ISV apps by Inogic: User Adoption Monitor, DeDupeD, and Undo to Restore. Let us start with User Adoption Monitor. Sales reps spend a significant chunk of time searching for incomplete data within the CRM, almost 21%. This inefficiency not only wastes valuable time, but also hinders informed decision-making. User Adoption Monitor tackles this issue head-on. It tracks user actions to gain insights into how your team interacts with the CRM. It enforces data quality standards and identifies areas where data entry needs improvement. With User Adoption Monitor, inculcate habits to improve data quality. Eliminate duplication with DeDupeD. Duplicate records are a silent killer in any CRM, costing businesses an average of $96 per instance. DeDupeD safeguards your valuable data by detecting and preventing duplicate records and identifying data inconsistencies before they become a problem. Merge duplicates efficiently to ensure clean data. Now, what if something unexpected happens, like an important record gets deleted? Worry not. Undo the unexpected using Undo to Restore. A whopping 25% of CRM data entries have critical errors. Human mistakes happen, but with Undo to Restore, they're no longer a concern. This app acts as your safety net, allowing you to effortlessly reverse changes. Made a wrong entry? No sweat, simply undo it. Restore deleted records. Recover accidentally deleted data with ease. Manage bulk data operations with confidence. No more worrying about accidentally deleting large sets of information. Ready to unlock the true potential of your CRM? Inogic offers these powerful tools and more to help you achieve flawless data accuracy and operational efficiency. Visit our website or email us to learn more.